In this video, I'll show you how to send money through PayPal without linking a bank account, step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to send money through PayPal without linking a bank account, first open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and log in to your account. Next, find the Send and Request option on the home screen or in the top menu and select it. Then, enter the recipient's email address or mobile number that is linked to their PayPal account. After that, enter the amount you want to send and add a note if you'd like. Next, choose the purpose of the payment. Select friends and family if you're sending money to someone you know, or choose goods and services if you're paying for something. Then, select your funding source. Choose your PayPal balance if you have available funds, or select a linked debit or credit card. Finally, review the payment details and click Send Now. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.